Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music on multiple posts at the same time. Something like a carousel, but you're able to add music on top of it. Let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower plus sign in the middle, like a regular post. The most important part here is to click on the double square. It is next to the camera icon. Click on the double square and now you're able to click on multiple different pictures. Let's, for our example, select these two and then click on the top right corner where it says next. You click on next and here you have the option to click on the top middle side of the equation where you actually see the note sign. This is where you're able to add the music and you're able to add music that matches on your carousel, right? In our example, we use two images. The duration of the images might be equal to the duration of the song or might not be equal, depend on you. So you scroll around here, you can select by genre and you can select by individual songs over here. When you select your song, then you go back, everything as usual. You press next, and the last step, of course, will let you, if you decide to change your mind and change the song, you can do so by doing or scrolling on this page. You don't have to go back and lose the progress. You can change the song by add music over here. You click on this page and you can replace the song. Very easy and simple. You don't have to lose your progress. Everything else is as usual. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.